always these little obstacles in life, like a pot boiling over, the buttons that keep falling off your shirt, and it takes forever to find that one key you need. These problems may seem small, but they can easily ruin your day. Do you want to learn some quick and easy life hacks that are easy to do, low cost, and can save your time? Don't worry, we have compiled a list of life hacks to make your life easier. Identify your luggage quickly. Add a small piece of bright colored fabric to your luggage so that you can easily identify your luggage among the other similar looking ones. This tip is handy in a crowded airport. Crossing words out. If you want to cross words out and make sure it is not legible, try writing random letters and words over it. Now there's no way anyone will be able to read what you crossed out. A good place to lean your phone. Tired of leaning your phone on objects, but it still keeps falling down? Next time, use your sunglasses to rest your phone. Or you could also use your old cassette cases. Remove highlighter stains. If you have hand-me-down books, this trick is particularly helpful. Lemon juice fades highlighter stains on textbooks and makes it nearly invisible. Take some lemon juice on a cotton swab. Run the swab over the highlighted text and watch the color fade. It's almost like magic. Identify your keys easily. We seem to have a lot of keys with us, but just a couple of ones we need regularly. You can use nail paint on those frequently used keys to make it stand out from the rest. Nail paint is extremely durable. Keep seeds fresh. You may have bought seed packets thinking of adding more flowers to your garden, but your busy life got in the way and those packets are left untouched, or maybe some seeds are still left after planting. You can store them in an airtight container with silica packets to keep them fresh for the next year. The silica packets prevent the seeds from getting moldy. Make your beverage cold quickly. Wrap a wet paper towel around the bottle of your beverage before keeping it in the freezer. It will be completely ice cold in 15 minutes. This is because the surface area of the paper towel works to cool the beer faster than the surrounding air could do alone. Grow rose from cuttings. Before planting the stem cuttings of a rose, push the bottom ends of the cuttings into small potatoes. Moisture and nutrients in the potatoes will allow the cuttings to develop healthy roots. Smelly shoes. Ever been embarrassed to take off your shoes? Now here's a way to remove the unpleasant odor. Place a few dry tea bags inside each shoe to absorb the smell. If your shoes are not just smelly but also wet, fill them with a mixture of rice and baking soda and leave it in for a few days. Fog-free mirror. You can use a 1:1 solution of vinegar and water to wipe down your mirror. Add a few drops of soap solution to increase its defogging power. Keep your buttons from falling off. Paint a coat of nail polish over the threads of the button to prevent them from falling off. Prevent body odor. If you forgot to use deodorant and are worried about smelling like you have been to the gym, cut a fresh lemon or orange into 2 halves and just rub it onto your skin. This helps lower the pH level of your skin, thus killing bacteria that produce body odor. Prevent water from boiling over. Use a wooden spoon over your boiling pot. The handle of the spoon will pop the bubbles, so they can't multiply and escape the lip of your pot. Ironing a shirt. When ironing a button-up shirt, flip it inside out to easily iron over the side with buttons. A simple trick you probably never thought of. Prevent wet waste bin. Keep old newspapers at the bottom of the waste bin to soak up the juices and other liquids thrown in it. The life-saving card. Keep your card in your wallet with information about your blood type, emergency contact, and allergies. Keep it in a visible place. This may save your life one day. Make your shoes look new. Brush your old sneakers with an old toothbrush and toothpaste to make them look brand new. Make sure you use non-gel white toothpaste for cleaning white sneakers. Leave the toothpaste on the shoes for about 10 minutes after brushing it, and then wipe it off with a damp towel. Repeat the process if necessary. Iced coffee. When you make iced coffee, pour some of it into ice cube trays and let it freeze. You can add these frozen coffee cubes to your coffee to make it chilled instead of ice to prevent your coffee from getting watered down. Neat paint cans. Place a rubber band around an open paint can to wipe your brush on and keep the paint off from the sides. Peeling eggs. Add a little bit of baking soda to the water in which eggs are boiled. This increases the alkalinity, which will make the eggs easier to peel later on. Stacking clothes. When you stack clothes in a drawer, stack it vertically so that you can see them all. How come I never thought of this? Cleaning a blender. Add just a drop of dish soap and turn on the blender for 10 to 20 seconds. Rinse out the blender thoroughly with hot water. Well, this may save you some time as well. Organizing power cords. There are too many power cords lying around the TV and you don't know which is which. This problem can be easily sorted by using bread clips to label your power cords. Fixing wood scratches. Break a walnut in half and rub over the scratch several times. Then rub with your fingers till the area is warm. This helps the wood absorb the oil from the nut. This usually works on light scratches. Remove car scratches. Add a dab of whitening toothpaste to a damp cloth and rub it onto the scratch using small circular motions to cover its surface. This removes small scratches as toothpaste contains tiny abrasives. Protecting documents from rain. Seal those important documents in Ziploc bags to keep them uncreased and protect them from rains. Hair conditioner as shaving cream. If you have run out of shaving cream, here's a substitute. Hair conditioner works just as well as shaving cream and can leave your skin feeling softer than usual. The right way to store herbs. Store herbs in a glass partially filled with water. If you are storing it in the refrigerator, cover loosely with a plastic bag. This will help keep your herbs fresh for a longer period. Remove permanent marker stains. Have you ever accidentally written on a whiteboard with a permanent marker? You can use hand sanitizer to wipe that off. Cut onions without tears. Isn't this something you've been dreaming of? Chill the whole onion in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce the acidic, tear-producing enzyme they release when cut. Also, use a very sharp knife to chop onions. You will release less of the enzymes into the air. You can try these life hacks and make your lives easier.